The overall goal of this experiment is to quantify primary motor cortex excitability and inhibition during a motor response inhibition task by using transcranial magnetic stimulation, also known as TMS.
This method can help answer key questions in the field of motor control research to understand cortical physiologic changes during motor task completion and response inhibition. The main advantage of this technique is the use of non-invasive transcranial magnetic stimulation technology to explore primary motor cortex physiology during a child-friendly stop signal behavioral task.
Though this method can provide insight into pediatric movement disorders, it can also be applied to any neuropsychiatric conditions that affect motor regulation, such as attention deficit hyperactivity disorder and autism spectrum disorder.
Demonstrating the procedure will be David Huddleston and Alyssa Reckner from our laboratory.
Begin by screening the participant for TMS contraindications using a standardized questionnaire. Demonstrate how TMS works by delivering a magnetic pulse over the operator's own forearm. After that, deliver a TMS pulse over the participant's forearm so that he or she can feel the pulse. Then, place earplugs in participants' ears for hearing protection. Next, have the subject abduct the dominant index finger to identify the first dorsal interosseous muscle, or FDS.